Hi everyone, welcome to Solved Pages YouTube channel. Today we're going to see how to check who deleted the databases. So sometimes we can see the databases are deleted, but we don't know exactly who deleted those databases. So to check this, you have to go to the instance, right click, go to the reports, standard reports and schema changes history. Here you can see who delete the databases or who deleted the objects. You can see here. So let me delete any one of the object here. I'm just deleting this employee 1 table. So let me refresh this to see the changes. See here, the database name is ADWorks, object name employee 1, and the type of object, it is a user defined object. So DDL operation is dropped, and where it is dropped, the time also you can see, and the login name. So everything you can see here. If you want to go into the very detail, and this we want to see now previous dates, then what we have to do is, I have a query for this. So this is a default trace performed by the SQL Server. We don't have to enable any profiler or trace. So to get the default trace, you have to run this query. So this is a default trace. We have different trace files here. So if you go to this path, we can see the trace files here. So we have different trace files, log 86, 87, 89 and 90. So this is a current one. So where these changes are storing. So this is a current file, log underscore 90. So just copy this, and we have another query to read the trace file. Just replace the path here. So if you want to see who dropped the object, then object put here as a object dropped. If you want to see who dropped the database, then put here as who dropped the database. I think it is database drop. Yes, see here. So this is the information who dropped the database. It will show you the database name, login name and host name, from which server or which a machine they are trying to drop the database, and the application, from which application they have deleted the database. And you can see this time. If it is object or a table, it will show you the object name. Okay, let me delete any one of the table here again. I'm deleting employee 1 table. Let me run it again. Object right, then I'll be putting as object dropped. See here, you can see database name and object name. Let me create a new table here. So I have created an object here, object created. See here, database name student, object created. So you can see any operation, not any operation, just create, alter, drop. Only the DDL operations you can see who created the object, who modified the object and who deleted the object. In the same way, database also, who altered the database or who created the database and who dropped the database. Let me change anything at the database level. If I go to the properties, I'm changing the recovery model from simple to full. So what we have to mention here, alter database, so that we can see who altered the database. See, data as a database name altered. If you want to see the data between the specific period, you can customize the query as well, where start time is start time. You can use the between function. So and you can see the information during this period. Let me put this 10 right, 8 o'clock. One minute. So I want to see the data between 8 to 10. Give me a minute. I think we have to give the single quotes for the dates. So here you can see the data during this particular period, but you have to use the between function. Thanks for watching.